What is the SMAS layer in a facelift? So the SMAS layer is an acronym that stands for Submusculoaponeurotic System, SMAS. It refers to this strong, thick, fibrous layer of our faces that is underneath the skin. So a modern contemporary facelift, most modern contemporary facelift techniques, I should say, utilize the SMAS layer to do the work of lifting the cheek back up and repositioning the soft tissues of the face. The reason that we like to use the SMAS layer to do this is because it decreases the amount of tension on the skin. Because when the skin is pulled too tight and we use the skin to lift the cheeks, it creates a very unnatural wind-blown appearance. If we use the deep SMAS layers to lift the cheek back up and resuspend the soft tissues of the face, it creates a much more natural appearance because the skin doesn't have to be pulled so tight, and also it lasts longer. So most contemporary and modern facelifts utilize the SMAS layer to do the heavy lifting on the inside of the face, and all the SMAS is a deeper layer of the face that is stronger and is able to support more tension and lifting than the skin can do. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.